Today, let's talk about colorful candy bag. A great candy bag isn't just a wrapper. It is a tiny, edible billboard that speaks to your brand, your creativity, and your customers' sweet tooth. Today's customized candy packages goes far beyond plain colors, blending vibrant designs with clever functionality to create an irresistible unboxing experience. Imagine a candy bag splashed with eye-catching graphics, new swirls, quirky illustrations of dancing candies, or scene art for holidays, birthdays, or special events. Whether it's minimalist pastel plateau for a chic boutique or wide multicolor explosion for a children's party, custom printing let you tell a story, from logos and tagline to fun patterns that pop. Some brands use tactile finish like glossy, matte, soft touch, or embossed textures to make the bag as delightful to hold as a candy inside. The real showstopper, a strategically placed transparent window that gives customers a delicious preview of what's inside. Customers instantly see the colorful candies, making their mouths water before they even open the bag. If you are interested, please contact us. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.